When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I would be sharing with you a very quick and easy halo eye makeup look. This is pastel red halo eye makeup tutorial. If you are interested in knowing how to get this step by step, then please continue watching this tutorial. This is a beginner friendly and a very quick halo eye makeup look to create as a beginner. Now let's begin. I'm using Nika K palette and picking this red eyeshadow, packing on my outer V using Sigma E33 brush. I'm building eyeshadow, intensify your outer V. I'm applying on my inner corners now. In halo eye makeup, inner and outer corners will have same eyeshadow. On eye mid, you have to change, join both, apply the same eyeshadow on your crease, move back and forth, move in circular motion for smokiness on crease, hold the brush very lightly, hold the brush in mid. Next, to intensify my outer and inner corners, I will be using this deep brown chocolate eyeshadow. Tap on your outer corner and inner corner. After you apply on your outer and inner corners, begin moving brush in circular motion for chocolate brown eyeshadow to blend with soft red eyeshadow. Intensify your crease along with outer and inner corners. Move brush on your crease. Move brush in circular motion for brown to blend with crease eyeshadow. Next, I'm using this very beautiful shimmery eyeshadow. All the shimmery eyeshadows in this palette are very beautiful. Link to this palette along with other products is in the description box below. If you're interested, then please check the links mentioned below. Focus this eyeshadow on your eye mid. Push this eyeshadow towards outer V to blend it with outer V. Next, I'm applying eyeliner here to highlight the mid shimmery eyeshadow. Applied. Halo eye look will look beautiful after you do this. Give it a try. It's difficult, but the tip to get this done is to place liquid eyeshadow on the tip of the wand, and before you place liquid eyeshadow on tip of the wand, make sure that the bristles of the brush are close to one another. They should not be scattered. Get the bristles close to one another, make it one steep point, and then place liquid eyeshadow on the steep point before applying to highlight your crease line. Next, I'm creating winged eyeliner. Now I'm creating pointed inner corner. Pointed inner corner shapes your eye. Pull it downwards and then take it inwards. After this, I'm using kajal for my waterline. Smudge the kajal on your lower lash line. I'm using first eyeshadow to smudge kajal on my lower lash line. Now I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. Intensify your eyelashes well, coating mascara. And it's done. This is the final look. If you like this halo eye makeup look, please consider subscribing my channel. If you have any doubts, please write them in comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Thanks for your time. Take care and bye.